So finally you've received your UK visas. The joy of seeing the visa vignette stamped on the passport cannot be expressed in words. I've been practicing for the last 15 years and still this moment when the client gets the visa is the most cherished moment for all of us, including the clients. This grant of visa is most of the time the start of very exciting life for a client. Maybe they are joining their spouse or partners, maybe they're starting a new job in the UK, or they are going to just visit for a holiday, or they're going to upgrade their academic qualifications by enrolling into one of the courses that they aspired to study. I'm Falguni Parekh. I'm a founder at Smart Move to UK and a solicitor. I've been advising on UK immigration and nationality laws for the last 15 years and have thousands of clients in their UK immigration and nationality applications. In this video, I'm going to tell you about what you have to do once you enter the UK after a residence visa has been granted. If you've been granted a residence visa, you have about 90 days to enter the UK. So look into your vignette carefully for your grant date and your end date. You get 90 days, which is a good enough time for you to backpack and enter. I have come across situations where clients are not able to enter in 90 days. Maybe there is some personal reason, social or related to work or whatever it would be. If for any case you're not able to enter within the 90 days tenure, you can extend it for further 90 days by making a relevant application with the Home Office, which is called as a vignette transfer. So you can extend your tenure by further 90 days, which will allow you to enter. Once you enter the UK, which means you have boarded the plane and you're going to land in the UK, the most important thing which I'm going to tell you now, and you have to remember this bit, is that the passport control officer may ask questions to the applicants entering the UK. So you may be asked questions about if you're going in as a student, about your course. If you're going to start an employment, it could be regarding your employment details, etc. You need to be very mindful of your responses because you may be a bit tired, exhausted, that could be a jet lag. You may not give correct responses, which may lead to an adverse situation. So you need to make sure that you're answering the questions correctly when you've been asked by the passport control officer after you've landed in the UK. Once you are in the UK, you have to collect your BRP card, which is your biometric residence permit card. You get this biometric residence permit card to the nearest post office of the address that you have given at the time of your application. So there is a designated post office which you would be assigned to, and you need to go and collect your BRP card. There is no prior appointment that you need to take for collection of your BRP. Now hypothetically you reach there and they say they don't have your BRP. There's nothing to panic, you don't have to get anxious. You can just write to the BRP help desk to say that your BRP has not arrived, and they will do the needful to ensure that you get your BRP at the post office. So make sure you can email them at the help desk to ask them to send your BRP. There may be another instance if the BRP is incorrectly been issued in terms of there's a wrong information either about your spelling, your name been written there, your spelling, your category. You need to address this within a stipulated time. You need to inform them that there's some kind of an error in the BRP that you've received. So make sure that you go and collect your BRP. The second step is just make sure that it is correctly been stating all your details on that BRP card. After you collected the BRP, the next important thing is to register for your national insurance number. All the individuals aspiring to work in the UK can register for the national insurance number. The link to register for your national insurance number is given on my screen here. You can also see this link in the description box of this video. This application is an online application. You need to complete this application as guided on the link there. Once you have your place of residence been selected, you then have to register with the NHS for your local GP The registration is very simple. It is an online registration. The link is given on my screen here and in the description box below. Please do get yourself registered with the NHS. Don't wait till you fall sick. You need to have this registration in place as soon as you enter in. It helps when you're unwell, you can get to see a GP quickly. So if you're on a residence permit visas, you can open your account. Typically the documents that they ask you would be a copy of your passport, a copy of your BRP card, and a proof of your residence. This could be a tenancy agreement or utility bills. If you're owning the property, then again a land registry document and utility bills. Of course, the banks would notify you if they need more paperwork there to open your bank account. If you're entering UK as a business owner and you need to open up a business bank account, you can do that by approaching any high street bank, but you can also open up your business bank accounts online. There are a few banks like Wise, Monzo, etc. They can help you to open the business bank accounts and this will be an online banking that you can do with them. So I hope you found this very helpful. Keep watching our videos to find more such valuable information for you to get the visas or live in the UK. If you have any comments, please share it in our comment box. And if you would want to see any more videos on these lines, please let us know your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching this.